One of the new tools that's been added to 3D Code's 3D topology toolset is the RFill tool. This will highlight in red areas of your mesh that are open, and as you hover near a particular opening, you'll see it highlighted in yellow, showing a preview of what the mesh will look like once you left mouse button click on it. So I'll go ahead and click, and I'll do the same thing for all of these openings. One area where this can be especially beneficial is when you are extruding along a surface and you want to quickly cap the end with all quads or nearly all quads. You can use this tool to quickly fill it in. So for example, with the cap tool, if I click here, it's going to be all triangles. However, there are some cases where you may want this to be filled in with all quads. So let's undo that. Also, with the cap tool, while I'm on it, if you hold down the Shift key, it will give you a large n-gon. Again, the best option here is probably to have all quads. However, you need to have an even number of vertices. If you don't, you'll probably have one triangle somewhere. Okay. So that's a quick look at the RFill tool, which may be renamed the RFill tool here shortly. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.